Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Webflow publish errors. Yeah, step by step. So if your site isn't going live, don't worry, we'll fix it quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes publish errors happen just because of slow or unstable internet. Next, refresh the Webflow editor. Just reload the page and try publishing again. This often fixes temporary glitches. Now go to your project settings and check hosting. Make sure your Webflow domain is selected, especially if you're using the free plan. Sometimes broken links or missing pages can cause issues. Go through your site and fix any errors like deleted pages or incorrect links. If you're using CMS collections, make sure all required fields are filled. Missing content can stop your site from publishing. Try clearing your browser cache or switching to another browser. Sometimes cached data can cause publishing problems. Now go back and click Publish again. In most cases, the error should be gone, and your site will go live normally. And that's it. You fixed the Webflow publish error. Yeah, it's usually something small, but now you know exactly what to check. Hey everyone.